Okay, so I'm going to be doing a peer review on this group of photos. And to answer the first question, I do think the artist generally understood the requirements of the project. They obviously branched out of like student life and went off campus, which is great. And I thought they had really good lighting that captured a lot of the images. So that being said, I think they used like the element of lighting really well that brought out color, like in this image. I think the red, like the reflection of the light on this red, like shows the difference, and in the art inside too. I thought that's a really interesting image to capture. So I think some of the best pictures in this um, folder would have to be this one. I really like the lighting of it and the perspective. And also, this one's really great as well. It looks really balanced to me, and I love how the zigzag of the balcony and like the two-tone colors really make the picture seem brighter, and the natural light coming in from the top too. But it still like looks dark in a way. It's really interesting. Um, And I also really like the perspective of this picture. I think it's really interesting and the contrast of like the darkness of the escalators and the lightness of the floor and the way the light is hitting the escalator right here. Um, I don't really think there are many weak images, but this one I think looks a little bit washed out lighting wise, but that could have just been because of the glare and everything from the clouds. Um, the visual of the raindrops on the window is really interesting though. I don't think there's honestly much to improve on other than like this last set of pictures. I think that if they would use a different perspective on these pictures and maybe get like lower, like if they stood right here and shot through like all of the um, tables and chairs, I think the visual would be really cool. Or if they got lower to the ground and shot and took a picture from like the a lower viewpoint, that the um, almost railing like texture of the chairs would look really interesting, and the light too. So yeah.